Surveys can help you identify risk and limit E&O exposure. While the survey section is just a simple library of industry-specific questionnaires, they can be customized to suit the needs of your agency and can work as a guidepost for new agents and CSRs that may not be as familiar with a particular industry. We will first access one of the pre-installed survey templates. Let's say we are getting ready to quote an electrical contractor and want to be sure our agent covers all of the bases. We begin typing in the type of business, and after a few letters, we find what we are looking for in the template list. Double-click the entry and the questionnaire is presented on screen. Review the survey and make any changes needed. Once complete, click the Save icon. Name the new survey appropriate to the business type, then click Save. When your staff is retrieving a survey, have them first review the saved surveys to see if a customized survey is available. And once the survey is on screen, they can click the printer icon to print out a copy of the questionnaire for their visit with the prospective client.